Welcome, today in front of me is TLC and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store because unfortunately we have no installed by default the AOD feature on our TCL device. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So first let's go into the Google Play here, and into the here in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to activate the Wi-Fi. So now we should get this application. That's why I tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the app here and click to draw our apps. Now just find here the Muviz Edge application and click here once on that switcher. After that, just go back again into the application and here just switch it to the AOD section and select one from the available tabs. For example, I'll go with this one, then just click here to apply, and now one will lock our device. We can see that the AOD feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.